In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted photos from trash in Google Photos on iPhone. If you've ever deleted a picture and then realized you still need it, this quick walkthrough will get it back into your library in just a few taps. We'll use the trash inside Google Photos, which is where deleted items are temporarily stored before they're permanently removed. Keep in mind, items in trash are typically kept for a limited time, often around 60 days, so it's best to restore what you need as soon as you notice it's missing. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your iPhone. You'll see the main photo grid and the navigation bar at the bottom. From there, tap Collections at the bottom. This takes you to a section that groups different areas of the app, including the place we need next. Now tap Trash. This is where Google Photos keeps deleted items for that temporary period. You'll see thumbnails of photos and videos that were removed. Think of trash as a safety net. It's not gone for good yet, which is why you can restore it. Next, find the photo you want to bring back. Tap and hold that photo to select it. Once it's highlighted, you can tap other photos to select more if you want to restore several at once. If you change your mind about one, just tap it again to deselect. Selecting multiple items is helpful if you recently cleared out a batch and realized you were a little too aggressive. With your selections made, tap Restore at the bottom. Google Photos will move those items back into your library. They'll reappear in your main Photos view and typically return to their original date in your timeline. So if you don't see them at the very top, scroll to the date they were originally taken. If they were part of albums, they should also reappear there. This action simply reverses the deletion. It doesn't change the image quality, date, or metadata. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you don't see what you're looking for in trash, it might have already been permanently deleted after the retention period. Also, restoring doesn't duplicate the photo. It just brings the original back, so you won't end up with extra copies. And if you restored the wrong item, you can always head back to trash and repeat the process to remove or restore again as needed. That's it. Simple, fast, and a real lifesaver when you need it.